What's up, guys? Just weather's turning to crap, so got the Vekta torn down a little bit. Just giving it a little maintenance and love. Cleaning her up, doing some oiling and some greasing. Had to replace a pin in the front drive shaft that I lost. I've got a feeling that was probably due to assembly error on my part. Didn't really, when I backed the grub screw out, it didn't really seem like I had a whole lot of Loctite on it, so replaced that this morning. Cleaned everything up with alcohol real quick. Did some red Loctiting. All right, guys, front clip reassembled. This is really like the easiest rig to work on. Everything's so big and there's so much space. Not to mention everything comes apart pretty modular. Like that whole front end just comes off with, I'd say, well, 10 screws, 9 with the steering linkage. Just comes apart really nice and easy. Goes back together really nice and easy. All right, guys, she's all set. Got some builds I want to get after, but there's no working on new builds until things like this are properly maintained and okay to sit up. Makes me crazy if something's screwed up. There's no reason to be working on anything new until these guys are taken care of. Nice and clean, maintained, oiled. There's the tires and wheels, all nice and clean. I got a little blue Loctite setting up on the threads for the hubs, so I won't be putting the tires and wheels on until that's all set up. That just kind of helps them stay on. The only last thing in the fleet that needs any kind of maintenance or help is this guy. And sure it'll be a while before Castle Cremations sends me my new speed controller. So unfortunately that one has to sit disabled until I get what I need for it. Everything else is all set. X-Max is fine. Gas 5B is fine. That guy's as fine as it'll ever be. 5B is fine. Old Roven in the back, just fine. Of course, that guy's fine. So, on to the new builds. Thanks, guys.